আপনারা তো যখন যখন পয়সা তখন বুঝে ছেড়ে দেবো।
সমাধান করতে হবে, চাকরি অবিলম্বে স্থায়ী সমাধান করতে হবে।
Thank you, everyone.
আপনারা তো যখন যখন পয়সা তখন বুঝে ছেড়ে দেবো। চাকরিচ্যুত শিক্ষকরা এই খুমলুং স্থিত যে গণঅবস্থান সেই গণঅবস্থান থেকে আমরা জানান দিতে চাই সরকার যাতে অবিলম্বে আমাদের স্থায়ী সমাধান করে এই চলতি মাসের মধ্যে। আপনারা জানেন, অবগত আছেন, এখন অবধি এই চাকরির টেনশনে প্রায় 65 জনের উপরে মারা গেছেন, অর্ধ শতাধিক আহত অবস্থায় বাড়িতে আছেন। তাদের জীবনযাপন স্বার্থে আমরা সরকারের কাছে বিনম্রভাবে অনুরোধ করছি, আপনারা দীর্ঘায়িত করবেন না, আপনারা এই মৃত্যু মিছিল দীর্ঘায়িত করবেন না, অতি শীঘ্রই আমাদেরকে স্থায়ী করে আমাদের জীবন জীবিকার পথ সুন্দরভাবে গড়ে তুলুন, এটাই থাকবে। এই গণঅবস্থান থেকে আওয়াজ তুলছে অবিলম্বে আমাদের যে সহকর্মীরাকে বিনা শর্তে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে তাদেরকে বিনা শর্তে ছাড়তে হবে 2 ঘন্টার মধ্যে।
program tongka program chungini phaimanta
kamni program tongo daga
ora kaisa 3 din ni mane demonstration tongka
demonstration enak kam ko thang mandia daga
or boro hai ka so ta thang ni masang ni so
sabaka
program paithang ka borne arrest khai ni so hai da ka police force tum tomaya
mo to andon cha tori tongo daga
চলেই tongo
boro da tongo daga
tongo
kana mona kor kasu tanja kha
e
ta boron hadi thamani
tanga ompini
Nên mùng khé.
An mung je so jna te.
Tam cá soi nó nó tam thấu rồi cả.
No se no ni master teacher na ka khunu di na sa na. Mane obodro ba ব্যবহার করে ta obodro ba sa ba.
Cái ta nó tam khoảnh nhau thế.
Muti ta mu khanya ta mu na sing tong ta. Muti ta na. Mane thanai or gan thanai tong. Thanai ni tong ta.
Dia di sana.
And before also, we have done the press meet regarding the 3 days sit-in demonstration program. So due to that, we had organized 3 days sit-in demonstration program. So what went wrong? What was so unfortunate is that today, while many of our teachers who are coming from different various districts, they had blocked us in Champaknagar, they had blocked us in Dasram Bridge, they had blocked us in Kumtoya Market, and they had reduced the number of our population. Where are we living? Where people are without democratic right. India is a democratic country, but our country, our Tripura, it is so surprising that people are not being permitted. People are not being permitted to even go to protest. We are aware with the pandemic situation which is going around the world. We know the norms and conditions, but we don't have any intention to come on the road and protest or sit for the sit-in demonstration. But the situation had compelled us. Situation had compelled us to perform such kind of protest or sit-in demonstration. And our main demand for today's sit-in demonstration or rally is, there are some demands, and that is, we want, our demand is, first of all, our demand is implementation of the Supreme Court verdict. On 5th of August, on 5th of August, verdict was given by Honorable Supreme Court. We respect the judgment given by Honorable Supreme Court. But till today, it is 1 month past. Till today, state government is not implementing the Supreme Court verdict, which talks about the alternative job, But till today, so many people, so many teachers are suffering due to financial problem. And even recently, after pronouncing the Supreme Court verdict on 5th of August, we have lost 6 teachers. How many more do you want us to die due to extreme tension? The situation is so unbearable for us anymore. We are unable to bear the situation anymore. Where will we go? If we don't ask our job to the government, where will we go? See, government doesn't have any color. Whether green, whether yellow, whether white, government doesn't color. Government is for the people. We are aware with the constitution. Government is for the people and by the people. But till today, why the government is not breaking the silence? We have heard our Honorable Education Minister in the initial stage of our case that he had given the assurance. Whether the verdict by the Supreme Court is negative or positive. He will make an arrangement. He said. But till today, we haven't seen. He have said that he is extremely sympathized about the situation of 10-323 teachers. But where is that sympathize? Still it is not visible to us. Where is that sympathize? So it is my humble appeal to Honorable Education Minister and Honorable CM. Please look into our matter without delay and please implement the Supreme Court verdict immediately, which talks about the alternative job. And we also have demand for die in harness job. The Supreme Court verdict, which talks about the alternative job. which talks about the alternative job. So it is my humble request to all the cabinet ministers to kindly implement. Today is our main agenda for sit-in demonstration and for this rally, which we was compelled to do since we did not get permission and so much of prohibition in the sit-in demonstration. Our main appeal for today's program is implementation of Supreme Court verdict, and each family who have expired once upon a time, who was a teacher, there are 67 in numbers who have expired, who was once upon a time among us. They have all expired due to extreme tension, due to stroke. So many have expired, and their family is in very worse condition. So I appeal to state government to kindly provide dine harness job to each and every family who have expired from 10,000 teachers. We also have heard the verdict of High Court regarding 127 para. From High Court to Supreme Court. From High Court to Supreme Court, we have run since 2014. By now, it is already 6 years. By now, it is already 6 years. Since 2014, we are running and struggling for our job and for our livelihood. So, we want clarification for 127 para, where verdict was given in the year 2014 by Honorable High Court. And because of this, we are struggling our life so much. And one more thing, which is very shocking. In the year 2014, when verdict was given, there are in total 58 petitions. My dear teachers, my dear friends, teachers and madam, please pay attention. In the year 2014, all total 58 petitions were given in the High Court. And when the verdict was given by the Honorable High Court, all these 58 petitions were clubbed together. They were all tagged together. But when state government implemented that verdict, only 57 writ petitions were implemented. Why? Another petition was excluded. It is so uncertain. Out of 58 writ petitions, only 57 writ petitions were implemented by the state government during the former government.